This video is sponsored by Shoppe Indonesia and Shopee Hobbies. Hello, welcome everyone, this is Awan Plamo. Today, I'm gonna build Mega Man Copy X from Eastern model. Inside the box, we will get runners, FX sets, action base, LED kit, enamel pins, X-Buster special effect, manual book, set of sticker, water decal for eyes, and batteries. Straight up built from the box, I am impressed with the quality of the material. And since this model kit costs pretty affordable, also comes with bunch of bonus. The snap keep were okay, but at some parts are really tight that makes me really careful to toying around. And sadly, they don't include any extra pegs, but they do provide us with optional hands and arms. I think the strong point of this kit is color separation. As you can see, the material color are quite vibrant and vivid. You can directly to top coat to the kit and it would make a good display instantly. Now we are going to disassemble all the parts and preparing for sanding process. I use sanding paper with 3 kind of number of grades. 1000 is the softest and 600 is the roughest. All this enough to smoothen noob marks. Once I'm done sanding, it's time to clean up any leftover dust on every parts. You can use water, dish soap, and unused toothbrush to help you clean difficult corner. While waiting to dry, the plan is to paint each small parts and divide them according to its color. This method would go faster, rather you paint them according to each part of the body. But the downside is you need to take a look on manual guide to assemble back again because all parts are mixed up. Now we can spray primer on all parts. I use Mr. Surfacer 1200 from Mr. Hobby. This is my first time using jump wind paint and I'm really satisfied with the result. The color is solid, thick, and the most important thing is, this only costs $12 for 18 milliliters and makes them one of the cheapest lacquer paint brand out there. Now I recommend you also to try their metallic series, because this product are treasure. The glitter particles are barely seen to the eye, the result is really smooth. I can assure you this can compete really well with well-known paint brands. When it comes to detailing, I use any general acrylic paints as long it's water-based, supported with tiny little brush, mine isn't very good, and to clear excess paint, I use cotton buds. Because I had sticker that included in every kit, this is the best way to replace them. Sometimes it's not easy and can get really messy if you don't have patience. It's time to panel lining. I use Tamiya Essence Color and Zippo lighter fluid to clean up any leak in with the help of cotton buds. Since I will make this not a clean build, I'm not worried if some smudges are accidentally applied at some spot. The last part of detailing process basically just the same material with acrylic paint, but this time a brush with a bad tip will get us a good result. I usually started from the edge of the shape using the flat side of the brush, slowly pulling down to create a random scratches with the black color. And then I use silver color to reveal material beneath the paint. The weathering goal is to add some volume for the material so it will not feel like plastic anymore. The last part is to top coat all the detailing job we did previously so it won't erase if we touch or playing with the kit. What you're seeing now is me spraying glossy top coat because initially I want a gloss finish to all surface. But I made a final thought about if I have two different of finishing looks. I can keep the glossy look for dark and metallic color, but for the vibrant color I want it kinda matte, so it feels like smooth and put more dimension for the final result like you will see it in a minute. If you are enjoying this content so far, please consider to subscribe or just ask in comment section if something unclear. I'll try to answer. And the next scene is the showcase of final result. Please do enjoy.